Hi students, good morning. Let us recall just once again formulas. Every day we should practice the formulas, compulsory integration. Okay, let us recall integration of sin x minus cos x, integration of cos x sin x, integration of tan x log of sec x. Plus c you can add, that is keep in mind only. Always wanted to tell plus c, but while writing you should write plus c. Integration of cot x log of sin x, integration of sec x log of sec x plus tan x or log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Integration of cosec x minus cot x or log of tan x by 2. Derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of sec x into tan x. Derivative of tan x secant square x. Integration of tan x log of sec x. Like this you compare both. At a time you recall integration formula and differentiation. Okay, integration of cot x log sin x. Derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. Okay, derivative of sin x cos x. Integration of sin x minus cos x. Okay, derivative of cos x minus sin x. Integration of cos x sin x. Integration of x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of log x 1 by x. Integration of log x don't know. So far we have not discussed. But integration of 1 by x log x. Right? Okay. Integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x by sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x by tan inverse x. Okay. Integration of a power x by log a. Derivative of a power x into log a bc. Integration of e power x. Derivative of e power x. Okay. Now in exercise 7.2 we have discussed up to third problem. Now question number 4. Integration of sin x into sin of cos x dx. Sin x into sin of cos x dx. See, this is a single function. Cos x is there inside. Are you following? Next, another function is sin x. Okay, which function having derivative here? Cos x having derivative here? Yes, cos x differentiation minus sin x. Minus leave it. Variable is there or not? Yes. But sin x differentiation is there. Sin x differentiation is cos x. There is no cos x. Here cos is there inside, not outside. Separate if cos is there outside, then you take sin x equal to. So this differentiation is there here. So let cos x equal to d. Let cos x equal to d. Now apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. Cos x differentiation minus sin x differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. So sin x dx equal to minus dt. So integration of sin x into sin of cos x into dx equal to, here sin of cos x equal to t, sin of t. This is sin x into dx. Sin x into dx equal to minus dt. Minus right here dt. Now in the form of standard formula, integration of sin t dt minus cos t plus c. So which is equal to cos t plus c, which is equal to cos of t, where t is equal to cos x plus c. Cos of cos x. Next. find integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. See, sin x differentiation, cos x. So there is cos x differentiation, sin x minus derivative sin x is there. So this derivative is there here, this derivative is there. So you can consider any one as a t. You can take as sin x plus b equal t or cos x plus b equal t. Answer will get same. Are you following? Your wish. Okay. Let sin of ax plus b equal to t. Now I am taking. You try yourself. Let cos of x plus b equal to t. We'll get same answer. Apply differentiation here. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. Sin x plus b differentiation, cos of ax plus b into ax plus b differentiation, ax differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt plus b differentiation 0 and t differentiation with respect of t is 1. Cos of ax plus b and dx keep here remaining. What is there that keep here remaining transpose that side? dt by a. dt by a. And now, as for the question, integration of sin of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b into dx equal to sin of ax plus b, sin of x plus b equal to t. Cos of x plus b into dx equal to dt by a. 1 by a integration of t dt. So 1 by a integration of t squared by 2 plus c. So t is equal to sin of ax plus b whole square by 2a plus c. This can write like this: sin square of ax plus b by 2a plus c. See, if you try, let cos of ax plus b equal to t. Cos of x plus b equal to t. Then cos of x plus b differentiation minus sin of x plus b into a, x differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt, t differentiation is 1. Sin of ax plus b dx equal to minus dt by a. So integration of here, sin x plus b, cos x plus b equal to t, sin x plus b dx equal to minus dt by a. So minus t integration, minus 1 by a constant, t integration t squared by 2 plus c. So minus t value is cos square ax plus b by 2a plus c. See, here we got sin square x plus b by 2a plus c. Here minus cos square x plus b by 2a plus c. Look like different, but answers same. If you apply differentiate this, we will get this one. If you apply this differentiation, we will get the same. See, cos square ax plus b differentiation is 2 cos of ax plus b into minus sin of x plus b into a get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, minus minus plus this will be. If you apply this difference also, we will get same thing. But look like different, form is different, but answer is same. That's why in integration, okay, sometimes in textbook they may give this form or this form. So don't worry about that, both answers are same. See, this we can make it to this form also. How? See, this is the form of sin square, this is the form of cos square. Sin square theta formula 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square ax plus b by 2a. See, this is 1 by 2a is constant. So 1 by 2a and c together constant. Then we get this minus cos square x plus b by 2a. So minus 1 by 2a plus c equal to some other arbitrary constant. So equal or not? So both are equal. So that's why they say this is same. It look like different form, but answer is same. In the form of it is cos, which is in the form of sin. Answers are same. See, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x squared dx equal formula. There are two formulas. One is sin inverse x, another one is minus cos inverse x. Both are correct, but forms are different. Integration root of x plus b dx. When it is like this form, we have to cancel the root. To cancel the root, let ax plus b equal to t square. Then square root cancel. Then apply differentiate. Apply differentiate with respect of t on both sides. Ax plus b differentiation. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. Plus b differentiation is 0. T square differentiation 2t. T differentiation with respect of t is 1. We need dx. So dx equal to 2t dt by a. Now integration of root of ax plus b dx equal to root of ax plus b equal to t square and dx equal to 2t dt by a. Here square root cancel, here t is positive. So 1 by a, 2 by a constant, integration of here t into t square dt. Which form it contains? X raised to n. X raised to n formula, x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. T cube by 3 plus c. So 2 by 3a into t, where t is ax plus b equal t square, then t is equal to root of x plus b whole cube plus c. This we can write x plus b whole power 3 by 2. Shortcut. This by substitution method order. Shortcut method is ax plus b whole raised to 1 by 2 dx. See, shortcut here. See, this is considered as x. Okay, what we have considered as x, once again apply differentiate. X plus b differentiation is a, is constant. Okay, the shortcut is applicable. Okay, ax plus b, let's consider this as a. Consider as a x raised to n formula, x raised to n integration x raised to n plus 1 ax plus b whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by what we have considered as x, no, that one differentiate. Okay, write in denominator. Ax plus differentiation a, write in denominator. See, 3 by 2 it comes up 2 by 3 a ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus this is same or not? 2 by 3 x plus b whole power 3 by 2 root is there. This is shortcut. Okay, when shortcut is applicable, what you have assumed that differentiation should be constant. Okay. Next, question number 7. Integration of x into root of x plus 2 dx. X into root of x plus 2 dx. Here also root is there. Let x plus 2 equal to t square. If root is there, no, we should cancel the root. Okay, to cancel the root, square take x plus 2 equal to t square. In the root, what is function of that one you consider as t square. Apply differentiation with respect of t. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. X differentiation with respect of t dx by dt plus 2 differentiation is 0. T square differentiation with respect of t 2t. Now dx equal to 2t into dt. Integration of x into root of x plus 2 dx equal to x. X is equal to x here, x is equal to t square minus 2, because change the variable compulsory, because in terms of x, if it is not possible to convert in terms of t, then the substitution method is wrong. Each and every variable should convert in terms of t. So x plus 2 t equal t square, then x is equal to t square minus 2. Next, root of x plus 2 equal to t square. dx equal to 2t into d. Okay. Now integration t square minus 2 root t square is t into 2t into d. Integration of t square minus 2 t square into d. Multiply this into this, 2 t power 4 minus 2 into 2 4 t square into d. Right? Now integration of t power 4, t power 5 by 5, exponential form, t power 5 by 5 minus 4 into t square integration t cubed by 3 plus c. So 2 by 5, where t is root of x plus 2, root of x plus 2 whole power 5 by 5 minus 4 by 3 t root of x plus 2 whole cube plus c. We can take common also. What is the common both? 2 is common. 2 is common. This much. 2 and root of x plus 2 whole cube is also common. Right? If root of x plus 2 whole cube common means remaining here root of x plus 2 whole square by 5 minus 2 common here remaining 2 by 3 plus c. Here square root cancel. So 2 of root of x plus 2 whole cube, LCM is 50, 5 3 3 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 2. Simplify, we get the value. 3x plus 3 into 2, 6 minus 10 minus 4. So 3x minus 4 by 15 plus. You can start up to this also, no problem. Anywhere, because which is the short form, when will you should make it like this, options. In the competitive options A, B, C is given now, they may give any form, this form. Okay? Only for that sake I am simplifying this. Integration x into root of 1 plus 2x square dx. First we should cancel the root. Okay, let root inside. What is that? 1 plus 2x square, which is equal to d square. Now apply differentiation. With respect of t on both sides. One differentiation is 0. 2 x square differentiation is 2x. X differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. T square differentiation 2t. T derivative with respect of t is 1. So 2 into 2 4x dx equal to 2t dt. Please get cancelled. X dx equal to t by 2 into d. Integration x into root of 1 plus 2x square dx equals root of 1 plus 2x square equal to t square. X dx is equal to t by 2 into d. 1 by 2 constant, root t square is t into t square dt. So t square integration t cube by 3 plus. So t, where t is, this is root of 1 plus 2x square whole cube by 6 plus c. Next, question number 9. Integration 4x plus 2 square root of x square plus 2x square plus x plus 1 dx. These all problems I can solve by using shortcut method that I will discuss later. First, this substitution method you should practice. To make practice, first we need these problems. First, by solving the way of solving, what is the substitution method, how to solve that, first we come to know. First we should learn that one. After that I will use shortcut for all these problems. Let x squared plus x plus 1 equal to t squared. Apply differentiation with respect of t on both sides. X squared differentiation 2x plus x differentiation is 1 differentiation is 0 into x differentiation with respect of t is dx by dt. Have taken problem for this. Instead of writing here, I have written here. Equal to t square differentiation to t with respect of t is 1. Now 2x plus 1 here. 2x plus 1 dx, let it be here. This is transfer that side to t into dt. Now integration 4x plus 2 root of x squared plus x plus 1 dx equal to, in this what is the common? 2 take common, 2x plus 1 root of x squared plus x plus 1 dx, right? 2 integration 2x plus 1 dx equal to 2t root of x squared plus x plus 1 equal to t squared. This get cancelled. 2 into 2 4, t into t square dt. T square integration t cube by 3 plus c. So 4 by 3 into t, where t is root of x squared plus x plus 1 whole cube by 3. Tenth question, integration 1 by x minus root x dx. X minus root x dx. Here nothing. Root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x not there. So to make that, first of all we should take common root x from the denominator. Root x if we take common, we get the root x minus 1 dx. See, this differentiation is there here. Root x minus 1 differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. 2 limit, constant limit. Variable is there or not, check it. 1 by root x is there. Are you following? So this differentiation is there here. This differentiation is not there. Why? Because here root x minus 1 is there. Are you following? This let root x minus 1 equal to t. Okay. Now d by dt of root x minus 1. D by dt of t. Root x differentiation 1 by 2 root x into x differentiation with respect of t dx by dt. 1 differentiation is 0 and t differentiation with respect of t is 1. So we need, this is keep here. This is dx by root x. Let it be. Remaining terms to that side 2 dt. Integration of dx by root x 2 dt by root x minus 1 equal to dt. 2 integration 1 by t dt. 1 by t integration log t plus c. 2 into log of t, where t is root x minus 1 plus c. Are you following? Understood? Here root x differentiation is there, but root x minus 1 together is there in the bracket. That's why we should consider root x minus 1 equal to t. Why? Because 1 differentiation is 0. Constant is not depend on function. Instead of taking root x, the better is root x minus 1 equal to t is taking better. Understood? Integration x by root of x plus 4 dx, where x greater than 0 means x is positive. Okay? Root is there. Root is there means let x plus 4 equal to t square. Now apply differentiation with respect of t. Differentiation with respect of t. X differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. 4 differentiation is 0. T square differentiation 2t into 2t. T derivative with respect of t is 1. So dx equal to 2t into dt. So integration x dx by root of x plus 4. Integration of dx, first x is equal to t square minus 4. X equal. Dx is equal to 2t dt by root of x plus 4 equal to t square, means t. This is t. Then this get cancelled. So 2 constant, integration of t square minus 4 into dt. So 2 into integration of t square t cube by 3 minus 4 integration 4t is not differentiation. 4 integration is 4 into t with respect of dt. 4 integration with respect of dx 4x. Okay, differentiation of 4 is 0. Are you following? 4t is, let's see, like this. Integration 4 dt, we can write 4 into integration of dt. 4 into integration of dt is t. Understood? Now change the variable. 2 into t. What is the t? Square root of x plus 4 whole power 3 by 3 minus 4 into root of x plus 4.